Hi guys, Vlad here. Today I have for you repair that you don't see too often. So, let's watch it. So, today we have quite interesting job. I rarely see something like this. So that's why I decided to make a video on that. So this is OnePlus 5, I think, yeah? Or 5T, whatever. And the problem is here that the customer bring the phone here like not charging. Yeah, and it was actually not charging, and I will show you why it was not charging. Here how the connector looks. Yeah, you see it's completely missing. If I remove this sticker, you will see that at one stage there was a connector. It's completely gone. Luckily there is no missing parts. Yeah, and the connector is actually here inside this charging port itself. So we're gonna try now to take it out without damaging it and then to resolder it back to the board. It's actually quite rare that happens, and if that happens it's usually completely gone. This time looks to be fine. If I can get it out successfully, we will not need to order a new component. So like this, fresh knife. Up, and that's out. Sorry, you probably couldn't see that very good, but connector is out. Yeah, it looks quite decent. I don't think it matters how to put it on the board. We'll put it aside for currently, and we'll take out the board first. So we have few screws there. Okay, that's out. We don't have anything much plastic there. Yeah, will be okay. Not super stable, but will do. So what we have here, that's our connector. Let's remove this thing as well. Add little bit of flux. Let's do the low melt solder. Oh, medium temp, sorry. 183. I think will do. I think will do. We don't have any more connectors, so we have to be careful. Maybe I can find somewhere, but I don't want to risk it. So we'll put coin over the other side like that, just in case. And we go. Okay, like usual. And we go. Slowly heating it up. Now I quickly add more flux. And that should be it. So that's clean. Let's take it out and check under the angle. So yeah, it looks quite okay. I think all the parts are soldered from both sides. Yeah. So now we can test it. So that's here. Let's put one screw just to hold it in place. Somewhere in the middle. So let's attach charging port with the battery. Power meter. And let's plug it in, and we have 800, 600, 200, 400, 1 amp, 1.4 amps. Yeah, that's definitely charging. We have 5% here now. You don't see, but I see. Glare. Yeah, so the phone is charging. That's it. This repair is finished. Hope you liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one.